Hi everyone, welcome back for our monthly update on Power BI and Fabric. A lot of exciting news, a lot of good stuff came out of FabCon. So we're going to get started with our panel here. Sharafat, do you want to share what you found interesting this month?
Yeah, so out of the many interesting available new features, the one that caught my eyes most is something that I regularly have trouble with is called security. And this time I have what I found interesting is a feature that's still not available. It's coming in preview, but it interested me a lot. Is that they are going to allow security in the one leg. So it is going to replace the existing one leg data access role that was released in April. And now with this, they are going to make sure that if you set this up, this is going to supersede all other security that's put in. Okay, so it means you do it once, and this is going to propagate through all other engines, right? So be it a Spark notebook or a SQL analytics endpoint, even if it is an REST API or API to go directly to the one leg. Okay. So this way, what happens is that you get to control the access in a better way, right? Because managing granular controls over items has been a big headache. Everybody, I think, will agree on that, right? So Fabric users who are admin, member, or contributor, they can create the security roles and grant users with those roles on the items. So users will see consistent data, regardless of how they are accessing the data.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of people excited about that feature. I'm looking forward to it myself. Siva, what about you? What do you find interesting?
Thanks, Rami. So I want to talk about one of my favorite announcements from FabCon 2025, Fabric CLI. So Fabric CLI is reshaping the way we deliver data solutions. It reduces manual work from setting up and managing environments, so we move faster with fewer errors. So it brings consistency, speed, and control, making deployment seamless and then repeatable. That means quicker insights and smoother rollouts and making more time solving real-time business problems.
Yeah, awesome update, awesome feature. Looking forward to it myself. Rubayat, what do you have for us?
Yeah, thanks, Rami. So for Power BI's March 2025 update brings a really useful enhancement, that is semantic model version history. So semantic model version history is now available in Pro workspaces, not just premium. Here's how it helps. So when you edit a semantic model in the web or use live editing in desktop for direct link models, Power BI will automatically save versions in the background. You can also manually save a version and add a quick note. Need to go back? You can restore any of the last 5 versions. Once you hit that limit, the oldest version is replaced with the newest. There's also audit logging, so every save or restore is tracked for accountability. To access it, just click the 3 dots next to the model, then choose version history or go to file, version history while editing. It's a great way to stay safe while making model changes. Simple but very effective.
That's great. I know that feature is going to make a lot of people happy. Sulaiman, what do you have?
Thanks a lot, Rami. I'm very much interested to talk about Microsoft Fabric Variable Library. It's like a control center for managing variables across workspaces, and it makes it super easy to adjust settings dynamically for different environments. For example, if we consider our development stages like staging, testing, and production stages, it actually makes it a very much fluent experience to make changes across different workspaces. And this supports the CI/CD pipelines, and also this automates workflows with public APIs, keeping everything very much consistent. I'm very much interested to learn about this development and work with it. Thank you.
Yeah, it's awesome. A lot of great features. I'll leave you with one more. The one that stuck out to me, I love Copilot Summary. Makes it easy to get analytics and insights very quickly. That feature is being brought to Teams. So I know a lot of people like to embed Power BI in Teams. They communicate with their members that way, and they like to view all their analytics, communicate all in one place. Well, good news for them, Copilot Summary is coming to Teams, so they can view quick analyses right within Teams itself, and they don't have to switch between applications. And that's not just coming to Teams, it's coming to Outlook as well. And you can use the Copilot Summary feature in browser, on mobile, and desktop. So a lot of great things coming out. Thank you for joining us, and be on the lookout for next month's updates.